Hello everyone, welcome you all in the class of business ethics and values. So in previous lecture we were talking about the values classification. So today we are proceeding with that what we have just left in that session. So one classification we understand in the previous lecture, that was positive and negative values. Today we are going to discuss two more classification of the values on the different experts. So first of all, we are going to discuss terminal and instrumental values. What is the terminal value? It is a value which a person wants to achieve in his own life. Okay, so what we can say that it is a desirable end state which a person wants, so that they can create a better life and achieve whatever they want from the life. Like everyone wants a comfortable life. Like every one of us want a comfortable life, a prosperous life. We want that our life should be more comfortable. It should be full of enjoyment. It should be full of prosperity. So that is the very important and very basic instrumental value. Apart from that, an exciting life everyone wants, adventurous, active life where they will find a new way to learning something new, a sense of accomplishment. Everybody wants a higher achievement in their life. They want to accomplish whatever they want, they are having a wish to achieve. Next is a world of peace. No one wants to fight. People wants to be in the soothing environment. They want a peaceful environment. So they wants to avoid conflict and wars. So everyone wants a peaceful life, a world of beauty. Everyone wants a good natural environment as well where they are living. It should be full of color. Greenery will be there. Some arts and crafts will be there, which make the environment more beautiful. Everybody wants equality. They all wants to be a very friendly environment. They believe that everyone got the equal opportunity for anything, so that they can create a better atmosphere, a better understanding. Family security, definitely. Each and every human being in their life wants to take care of their family, their loved ones, whom they are giving the importance. Freedom. No one wants to be bounded in this atmosphere. So everybody wants a freedom. They want freedom related to their preference, their choice. They want to be independent in everywhere. Happiness, absolutely. Everyone wants happiness in their life. No one wants sadness and difficulty in their life. Inner harmony. Inner harmony is something which comes from our inner personality. It means that if you are happy via heart, your inner feeling is good, then you will reflect a positive image. You will also be happy by outer as well. So that is again an important point which we have to look forward. Next is mature love. Everybody wants affection. National security. No one wants to fight either from the across the border or the within the border. So where they are living, in which country they are living, everybody wants that they have to be national security, means their country will be secured. So no one can give the trouble to them. Pleasure. Everybody wants an enjoyable life. They want to a lucrative life as well. Self respect. Everybody wants self respect as well. Self respect is something which they earn from different group of people from society, and that will only be possible once we are doing something good for the society. So self respect is very important. सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट के बाद वी विल मूव टुवर्ड्स सोशल रिकॉग्निशन. Everybody wants people should admire them. No one wants that people should hate them. People believe that they work for that. On every platform people should admire to their work, to their personality, to their values, so they can be a better human being, so that they can be a better person. So social recognition is very important. True friendship. True friendship tell us about that. Close companionship means everybody wants few people, those they can share their happiness and trust, their issues in their life. So some close person needed by each and every human being in their life. That is very important. If you are having a true friends, then you can share everything and you never be in the tension or in depression, in anxiety, because friends are the stress buster. They give the positive tonics to us so that we can remove our stress and anxiety. Wisdom, that is very important. Wise man is always appreciated. A more mature person, a better understanding person, everywhere appreciated. Whether it is family, whether it is society, it is organization. If you are wise, you are mature enough, you are understanding the situation, you are understanding the life, then definitely people will appreciate you. So these are the certain terminal values which any enterprise, any person wants to include in their life. Now moving towards the instrumental values. Now the question arises, what is instrumental values? As terminal values are the those values which a person wants to achieve in their life. So instrumental values are those values those help to achieve that particular terminal value. It is a mode of behavior through which any individual, any person can achieve their terminal values. Likewise, we have listed a number of instrumental values like ambitious. Being the ambitious is very good. You should be hardworking. You should be aspiring. You should be smart working as well. So ambition leads towards the greater success. If you want to something in your life, then you should be ambitious. If you don't have ambition, you can't achieve that target, whatever you have set for yourself. Next is broad minded. You should not be narrow minded. You should be think about beyond the different perspective. What people are not thinking generally, if you are able to think on that particular platform, it means you are broad minded. You are understanding the situation. You are open with your mind. Next is capable. If you are competent enough to do any task in effective manner or efficiently, you are able to do that task, then it means whatever target you have just decided will able to achieve that. Cheerful, you should be always smiling, light-hearted person, joyful, lively. Next is clean. Everyone wants a smooth atmosphere, a neat and clean atmosphere where they are living in the society, in the organization. They want a hygiene. Courage, definitely. Courage is something that shows what you are saying, what you are believing. You are stand by on that particular point or not. Suppose your belief is saying something different and other 10 people are saying something different. Are you standing up for that or not? That is very important. Forgiving. Another instrumental value is forgiving. You should always be very decent, very calm and composed person, and always have an attitude to give the sorry to others. So not like that. You should not go for the pardons. You should go for the pardon to others. Helpful. You should always be ready for this helping the others, the society. Your hand should be always on the front so that you can do some good things for the welfare of the society. Honest. You should be very truthful, sincere enough. So, honesty is also important. Imagination or imaginative. You should always be daring to think beyond the box. You should be imaginative, should be creative. If you're not imaginative, then you will not be able to think beyond the box. And then innovation will not lead, creativity will not lead. In that case, you should be imaginative, independent. You should be self sufficient. You should be self reliant. It is not like that you are waiting for someone to do your task. You are the complete person. You are not going to take the help of anyone because you believe that you are capable enough to fight in any situation. Intellectual is another instrumental values. It means that you are intelligent, you are reflective, and being the intellect, you are able to tackle any situation. You have the solution where you can apply those situation in a solution in different situation. Logical, you should always be rational. It should never be hypothetical. Being rational is the one of the best thing of the personality because what you believe that is the possibility of occurring that event. Next, you are loving. You should be loving. You should affectionate to others. You should spread the love and positivity among the people, among the society. Obedient, you should be respectful. You should always follow the instruction what people are giving to you. Polite, you should be well-mannered person. You should be courteous as well. Courtesy should be in your personality. Responsible, you should be responsible enough related to your task, related to your family, related to your society, environment, as well as your organization. So, whatever the things or the task you have just assigned, you should responsible enough to complete that. At last is self-control. Should be self-discipline. Should be restrained yourself in a limited time or the limited line so that you can control yourself and just wait for the good results. These are the certain instrumental values. Now talking about another classification which is just given by Albert Schweitzer, that is operative value, conceived value, and objective value. The gentleman has just given three types of value system. Operative values are those values which depends upon the people preference for action and object. Now conceived value are those values which made on the basis of symbolized concept, that is made in anticipation of outcome of the chosen behavior. At last, objective values are those values which are objectively desirable. All these 3 points given by Albert Schweitzer. So we'll discuss these two classification in coming class, and we'll discuss in detail with the certain examples related to the corporate and your daily life as well. Thank you so much. This was the all for today. We'll see you in the class. Be ready with your questions. If you are having any doubt, kindly watch the video before entering into the class. In the meantime, be safe, stay at home. Thank you so much.